Ozman lives. Let me hear you scream, subscribers. Scream for Seattle Sabbatical. Sunday, 4-2. Who's that, Gus G? What's that guy's name? I like that guitarist. I like him better than Zach. Are you high? Stepping on a roach that just fell out of his pants. Right, there you go. Either that or he's wanting to porta potty. Sharon, porta potty now. Now, where do you think you're going, Ozman? No. You don't need a break. You're passed away. Now you can do whatever you want. You can hang out with Dickie. Fucking, he's like, I can blow my nose if I want. Oh, yeah, just walk over here and take a piss in that bottle. Oh, no, the bottles are yellow. He's pissing in the bottle. That's nasty. Are you peeing in the bottles? What are you doing?
Are you having a good time out there?
Yeah, you high?
It is not called Mr. Crowley.
Yeah, we'll just get the intro. We don't have time for the whole thing. This is a shorts video. We'll get that Don Airy opening. Good old-fashioned Don Airy thing. Well, Deep Purple, Black Sabbath, and Blizzard of Oz. And Judas Priest. Don Airy's on a couple of Judas Priest albums. We'll talk about it later. You're never going to be a young John Lord. Stop it. Get some help. I like that old carnival organ sound they got on this one. Later.